It's a east facing flat. It's a living area. The provided fall ceiling and a TV unit. Washrooms are pretty big size. It's separate shower section. And the commode here, wash area. It's a common washroom. It's a waste bedroom kind of thing. This has AC and a closet. It has a good ventilation. This is west facing. You have good sunlight. So the closets are made of now glossy. Once we remove the protective sheet, so you can see the glossiness. It's a premium wardrobe they are providing. So it's a crockery unit. So from living area, this is connected kitchen. So they are giving glossy laminate. Glossy laminate. These are G handles, rather traditional handles. Good storage space here. So this is wash area. Utensils wash area. Space. It's a gas pipe connected. Here we will install chimney. There's a loft. Storage area. That's a common balcony. Doors. It's a master bedroom. The dressing table. The seating area. This is a closet. In the loft. This is a master bedroom attached washroom. Pretty bigger size. Deep clean is pending. You will get exhaust and geyser over here.